Alrighty, we got a quicker game of Ultra Kill today. I just finished moving, so had to get some things set up. But let's move on. And as promised to someone who commented on an older video, we're gonna do Violent for Greed. This is where I stopped playing on Violent and I went back down to Standard. Thankfully, almost 60 hours, but
There we go.
you're wondering what I'm doing. Well, it's quite simple, really. Oh, I know you all too well. There we go. Don't feel ignored. Y'all are hated equally. No one likes virtues. Actually, I do like virtues. They're pretty chill. There's the orb up there if we needed that. As you can tell, I try to stunt on everyone. I had no clue that there was one behind me. I just kind of guessed. Virtue, no virtue. That was not what I meant to do. I thought I pressed one. It's alright. Please, I try. We might need to make a practice sandbox area so I can keep trying. But we'll have to wait and see. What about the underworld? Ow. If I don't mess up, I'm fine. That's the wrong gun. And I did just obliterate that man. There we go. That's the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. You gotta go down. Okay. Okay. Why it cuts out my sound? I have no clue. And we fixed it. We're... Don't you worry. Here again? Oh yeah. A couple things. That's technically not the thing I told you about. We much prefer. Where are you? Oh, right. Down, aren't you? What? Really do it fast enough. Or slow enough, I guess. Hi. You weren't meant to be there until at least another 2 seconds later. Yep. We have to go up. Yep. Nope. Always gotta get that wrong just a little bit. The coin's falling down. And we got a C rank. That's fine. We didn't expect to go that quick. So y'all won't see it. But it just froze on me. Had to restart. Huh. Ain't that freaky, having all the starlight thingies. Anyway, sorry about that. Correct. You goddamn this. Fine. Don't need him to die. I know, completely antithetical to Elden Ring, but it's okay. You don't need anesthetics. Ow. If I can stand on his head, be okay. Hi, buddy. Don't worry, I didn't ignore it. Didn't need it. It's okay. There we go. Ow. Kill them all. And I could do the secret. I might do the secret. You don't know. I don't know. You don't know. Ow. Ow. Okay, let's go this way. I think this part's what threw me off. Oh. Do I understand how to make them split shot anymore? No. Yep. Where is... Goodbye, buddy. I can fix them. There's an or I think the challenge is like do this for a minute. Which isn't, by the way. Oh, there's also that. But we don't worry about that. I need the blue now. Ow. Don't need blue. Ow. This part, what frustrated me. I remembered. Right. There we go. Come here. Thank you. I know there's a way to have like 4 guns at once. Which is insane. I am totally gonna cheat, by the way.
Come here. You jump. You go. Insurrectionist?
I know how to cheat it. I just can't. I mean, not good enough for that. God. There we go. Grand slam. Okay, I tried. We really tried. I promise. Because you're supposed to be able to kill him in like 45 seconds just by dropping him in a hole. Everything else we actually did pretty good on. They kill the insurrectionist in under 10 seconds. Now, I think you can do it with a double gun, but, well, it did freeze again. Well, let me get to the main page, then we'll do normal stuff. Alrighty. That was weird. It froze for a second time, which means I get to look at things. But that's half agreed on violent, as per requested by the council. Which I hope I never have to do. We'll do the other half agreed and violent. Don't worry. I'm not gonna abandon y'all. Especially when it was the first thing asked of me, other than a request to try a different type of gun. And if you want, I can practice on another video trying to actually use the marksman revolver properly instead of what I do, which is just use coins as they were made. I'm not fancy. Anyway, thank you. Okay, bye.